In this video, we will explore the various volume types within the compensation plan and how they are utilized in paid rank qualifications. Qualifying volume, also referred to as QV, is a currency-neutral amount associated with each and every Lifewave product. This means regardless of the country the item is purchased in, the QV amount will be the same. Qualifying volume is the base used to determine all volume metrics associated with paid rank and career title. It is important to note that qualifying volume is the same for all purchasers, whether it is a retail customer, a preferred customer plus, or a brand partner. When buying a product, the same amount of QV is awarded for that purchase. Bonus volume, also referred to as BV, is the amount associated with a product that is used as the basis for calculating percentage-based compensation. This figure is considered in global currency, US dollars, for plan calculations. Unlike QV, bonus volume amounts differ based on the individual making the product purchase. A brand partner purchase may award a different amount of BV than a customer purchase, depending on the type of customer. See the Lifewave product pricing list for details on the BV amount awarded for every product and type of purchaser. We will now begin to explore all the volume concepts associated with rank qualifications. It is important to understand that all of these concepts explained, consider a 31-day rolling look-back for calculation. Every commission week ends on Sunday at 11:59 p.m. Central Time. So our 31-day rolling period includes that day and the previous 30 days for a total of 31 days of cumulative volume. Personal volume, PV, represents the combined total QV from your personal purchases and sales to your personally enrolled customers. This means if you purchase 55 QV and you sell a product at 55 QV to your 3 customers, then your total personal volume would be 220. There is a maximum amount of QV from a brand partner's own personal purchase that can be used for personal volume consideration. A maximum of 110 QV is allowed from personal purchases to meet personal volume requirements. Any remaining QV needed for rank qualification will be required from sales to your personally enrolled customers. Total downline volume, TDV, is the sum of QV from all the purchases made by a brand partner and the sales to their personally enrolled customers, as well as purchases by their personally enrolled brand partners, and everyone those brand partner teams enroll, both customers and brand partners. Total downline volume considers the cumulative QV of the entire enrollment tree. Qualified downline volume, QDV, is the same concept as total downline volume, with one exception. Qualified downline volume considers a maximum volume rule for calculation at each paid rank. The maximum volume rule allows up to 50% of the required qualified downline volume at any given rank to come from any one personally enrolled brand partner team or from your own personal volume. Let's say you have the following TDV in 3 different personally enrolled brand partner teams. The first having 20,000 TDV, the second with 2,000, and the third with 1,000. Purely looking at TDV, you would have enough volume to qualify as a 3-star director with 23,000. However, a large portion of the TDV is in one single brand partner team. Because of this, when applying the maximum volume rule of the 3-star director rank, which is 10,000, it would reduce your QDV to 13,000. So you would be under the required 3-star director's 20,000 QDV amount. Moving to the next rank of 2-star director, the maximum volume rule would cap the volume in that team to 5,000, meaning you have a total of 8,000 QDV, and unfortunately you would still be under the required 10,000 for that rank. Your qualified rank would be 1-star director. You would count a maximum of 2,500 from that largest team at that rank, and the volume in the other 2 teams of 3,000 means you would have met the required 5,000 QDV for that rank. Keep in mind, as the volume in the smaller teams grows or as new teams are enrolled, a larger portion of the volume in the largest leg will be considered for qualification, as the percentage of your total downline volume in that leg will reduce as the other teams increase. The volume definitions are only the beginning of understanding the elements of the compensation plan. If you have further questions on rank qualification elements, please see the video on structure requirements, as this will be a useful tool for meeting qualifications.